Welcome to Look It's Drawing. Today, let's create a beautiful rainbow fish using green, yellow, blue, purple, pink, orange, and rose colors. 1. Start by drawing a large oval for the fish's body. Add a triangle at the back to form the tail. Draw 2 curved lines on each side for the fins. Add a big circle for the eye and a small curved line for the smiling mouth. Create wavy lines across the body to divide it into colorful sections. Coloring steps. Use orange to color the head section. Fill the next part with yellow. Add blue for the middle section. Color the next area purple. Use pink for the next section near the tail. Fill the fins with orange. Finally, color the tail rose pink. Your rainbow fish is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Look It's Drawing for more fun and creative videos. Would you like to customize this further?